Hey everyone, it's Sarah, and about 20 minutes ago, I just received my fall 2022 Fab Fit Fun box, and I want to open it up and show you what I got. I just opened the box. That's it. Well, the outer box. This is my box with add-ons. So, first up, I have the Phantom Chef 8-inch frying pan. I'm not sure it said in the description what the size was. It did say that this is a non-stick frying pan, and it's a little hard to open here, so give me just a second. Okay, it's tiny. It's a little 8-inch, but you know, you can make a little one person meal in that. So it's a small little baby frying pan, but I mean it's a good weight. It has a little plastic handle. It's cute though. It's a cute little pan there. This was another thing that I added. This is the mixing bowl colander set. I technically have 2 colanders. It's really only one that I use, and I thought this would be handy for salads and things like that. So the bowl and then the colander that goes with it. It's in there. It seemed like and it has the little drain, so that's nice. So the little spout that you can pull the water off. So this will be handy. Then I love these things. I have several of them. These are the Turbine hair towels. So you wrap your hair in them, and then you twist it up like you would in a normal towel, and then it has a little loop back here and a loop on the part that you bring back and a button back here, and then it stays. I've actually fallen asleep with my hair up in one of these, and it stayed. Wouldn't necessarily recommend it, but they will stay. You can walk around, do whatever you need to do, and these will stay in your hair while it's drying, or sopping up the moisture. Doggies, we're going a little crazy. Okay, then I think I had this as an add-on for the customization. This was the little shawl thing. So I really wish there was a while back kind of a blanket shawl that I would love to have back in the box. This isn't bad. I like this. This is cute. Little close up, but it's very soft, very lightweight. It's much lighter than the BB Dakota black and gray one, but this is nice. I like this too, so it's cute. Different color, so that's nice. Definitely too warm for it right now though. I added these, I think, to my box as well. These are the wool dryer balls, so if you use these, you don't have to use dryer sheets. They will, I guess, beat your clothes soft. So good for the environment. This 3-piece silicone baking set, I added an extra one of these. I should have one of these in my box, and then I added an extra one. So let's just open that up. This is so you don't have to use parchment paper. So it also comes with little spatula, a tiny spatula, and then another one. And yeah, line your cookie sheet with that. So it'll be very handy at Christmas time for making sugar cookies and things like that. And then I could only order one of these, which was a disappointment. I actually have some of the green goo first aid that I ordered from Fab Fit Fun, and I like this stuff. So I would have ordered more than one of these. This has let's see, what does it have? It has dry skin, pain relief, and then skin repair. My nephew had, he's a toddler, he had like a rash, like I guess the doctor said it was an eczema rash, or I don't know, it looked like contact dermatitis, but it worked really well on it, better than I don't know, whatever cream they were treating it with. So I really like that stuff. This is something else. I don't remember if this was a customization or something else that I added. Leave-in conditioner. I think it was a customization. And then I'm pretty sure this was an add-on. This is the Crybaby 72-hour Frizz Control Smoothing Serum. I have to see how that works because my hair was just washed. It has a lot of anti-frizz stuff in it. I haven't done anything else with it other than just wash it and put a bunch of anti-frizz stuff in it. A little droopy, but I didn't scrunch it or anything. It just air dried. That's what it does after I just put product in it. So. Okay, now for the box. All right. Wow, this one really is sealed up. Okay. So we have our Fab Fit Fun magazine, and we won't spend too much time on that. And then, of course, little things that we're trying to buy other things. I went for the vegetable chopper, which probably isn't going to be super exciting. I think, yeah, it has a little pull cord thing that you put in there and pull it out, and it chops the vegetables. I mean, I don't know. I think a couple of the categories there just weren't a lot of things that I was super interested in. Sorry. Okay, that's how it works. So that is the vegetable chopper. Okay. Now these are the packing cubes by Free People. They are a sort of cute design, and you get, it's just 2 cubes. They're not super large, but I mean you could do undies in that one, socks or undies or something. Maybe like some shirts in that. Packing cubes are nice, especially if you like to go on cruises or something. It's awesome because you have all your stuff, more than this, obviously, but you have your stuff in packing cubes. Take them out of packing cubes, set them in your shelves and the closet, and then you're unpacked. Of course, you could do that in a hotel as well. Put them in the drawers or closet, and you're unpacked. But I just think it's especially helpful on a cruise ship. So, all fun, no fuss. I don't even remember. Oh, this is another one of the silicone baking sets. I got 2 of those because when you're baking, of course, you're probably going to be baking on more than one cookie sheet. Okay, this is the Brighten and Even Serum, the Kate Somerville, vitamin B3, C. Yeah. I think I'm going to gift this to someone. Okay, this is the Nars Orgasm Blush. I already have this, but it's going to be a refill for me. It's a really good blush. I'm actually wearing it right now. I don't know if you can see it. I put it on this morning, so it's kind of probably faded a little. Glossier, Birthday Balm .com Universal Skin Salve. What is this one? Skin Salve. Is this a lip balm or it's I think it's just Universal Skin Salve. Oh, for lips. Okay, that's probably why I got it. I like lip products, so it goes right there. All right. And I think we have one more. Lumify. Is this? I think this is just a. These are eye drops. Bausch & Lomb eye drops. Just a little thing that they tossed in there. So yeah, little added thing. And it looks like that's probably it. I don't think there's anything else in the box. No, that was it. So thank you so much for unboxing this with me. I appreciate it, and if you like this and want some more, I have some more unboxing type things, demos coming up. Please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.